Hey guys, this is Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and today we're going to make this Mario pipe pencil holder. In order to do this project, you'll need 2-inch PVC pipe, 2-inch test caps, and 2-inch couplings. I cut these to size on the miter saw. I didn't really have like a concrete dimension that I was working with. I just took a pencil and stuck it in the PVC pipe and determined how much I wanted it to show. To cut the coupling safely, I just stuck it on the end of the PVC pipe, and some of them I trimmed flush and some I left a little bit of overhang. For the test caps, I sprayed them with black spray paint before I painted them with the black glue. I used black PVC glue to attach all these different parts since I was using black PVC pipe, but you can also get white PVC pipe, and there's no real reason why I chose black. Ultimately, I just thought it would look cool to be black on the inside, which is why I spray painted the little caps at the end, but ultimately I just ended up painting them, so it would have been cheaper to just get the white PVC pipe. When I attached the coupling, I would put it on and then I would flip it over and try to push it as flush as possible on the work surface. Then I would wipe off the excess glue. I just used Rust-Oleum spray paint to paint these, and I used a red, a green, and a blue. I know there's also yellow pipes in Mario games, but I didn't really have the right yellow and it's not my favorite color. Since it's been so cold in LA, it took a long time to dry, but once they were done, I filled them up to see what they could hold.